Meaning of decimalize.
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 Decimalize. The word decimalize means to convert a system of measurement or currency to one based on the decimal system, which utilizes units of 10 as opposed to other numerical bases. The result of decimalizing a system would be a simplified and uniform method of counting and calculating. This conversion allows for greater efficiency in calculations and eliminates the need for complicated conversions between fractions and different base systems. Decimalization has been implemented in various areas such as currencies, measurements, and timekeeping, making them more understandable and accessible to a wider range of people.